What did I explain to you what income tax was? Do you remember?
I'm thinking that you said it was an ancient act of pledging.
You know, it's whatever you wish, whatever you believe it is.
Well, right.
Remember what that attorney lady said?
Yeah, she says, they can't say what is income and what is not income. Only I can say.
That's right.
So
there you go, sir. So guess number 28. See, this is when I talk. I talk so simple, so quick, so straightforward. This is exactly the way the federal people will talk to you as well. Just like Harry Reid said. Harry Reid said the income taxes are voluntary. And then one guy said, but if you don't pay your income taxes, you're going to jail. That's right. Harry Reid said, yes, that's true. You will go to jail if you don't pay your income taxes. But then the guy said to Harry Reid 100 times, I thought you said the IRS income taxes are voluntary. He said, yes. And then he said, but didn't you just say if you don't pay your income taxes, you go to jail? He said, yes, you're right. So now if you people understand how simple Harry Reid is talking, like simple like I'm talking, it all makes perfectly logical sense. But that poor bastard on that YouTube video who was doing a mass email to everybody, Harry Reid explains how the IRS income tax is voluntary. And then the poor guy kept saying to Harry, but Harry, I thought you just told me that if I don't pay my income taxes, I go to jail. Yes, you do. But I thought income taxes are voluntary. Yes, they are. But if I don't pay them, I go to jail. Yes, you do. Harry is dead on, and Harry's not lying to you. You just don't understand the words that are coming out of his mouth. You think you know what the words are because you went to public school. So I said, this man from Indiana here, Greg, he sat right there. And the lady picked up a huge spreadsheet and said, look at all these numbers that were going in and out of this account a couple of years ago. I thought this was all, you explained all this income. And thank God, man, he said, my boots, my boot kicking him when my boot helped a lot. Telling him basically, don't say a damn thing, buddy, because this is all on confessions. They can't tell you what any of those numbers on any of that spreadsheet paperwork means. They don't have an effing clue. There's 6 different other forms of funds that can be placed into an account. They don't all exclusively have to be income. And one show will explain to you the other 6 forms, but not right now.
It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to say that what you have in your account was derived from being an agent, officer, or employee of the government. And
she didn't even waste that many words. You wasted many words. All she said to you is, we have no clue what your income is. We have no idea. You have to tell us what your income is. Now, you use this nice big fancy thing that you just said. I can't even remember what the hell you just said. What did you just say again? An agent of what?
Well, first of all, you have to, we don't know, and we're not supposed to know, the definition of income.
Because there is no, you define it for them. They can't define it for you.
That's right.
So what's funny
if you let them define it,
you let Rod Class define it for you under U.S. Code 26 or U.S. Code 16 or U.S. Code 18. If you want to let these big books define your words for you, well, God bless you. As far as I'm concerned, those books are written in German or Chinese or legally.
Not to mention, if you use them, it must apply to you.
If you want to use them, then you bind yourself to them voluntarily. It's all voluntary. You don't have to bind yourself to their beliefs. It's all voluntary. Like I say to you folks, thank God it's easy for me. It's so much easier for me to understand this stuff than it is for you guys because my dad did not read or write English. He was German. So everything to him, unless you spoke it or read it to him in German, he had no effing clue what you're talking about. So it was easy for me to say, what do you mean, Dad? You don't understand that? No, I can't read that. What? It's just a simple, driver's license. It's just a simple contract. It's a simple, I don't know what it says. So it was so easy for me, every time a government agent would throw something at me, say, I don't know what that says. Because I saw my dad doing it my whole life. So it's easy for him to say it, then I put 2 and 2 together. It's like, hey, you know what? He's really pissing these people off. What do you mean you don't understand? I don't. It's in the language I don't understand. They can't bind them to it. It's that simple. Everything that gets thrown across the desk, forget that you got a straight A. Forget that everybody called you a dummy in school if you didn't understand it. Call me a dummy. I don't give a damn. No, the real word is an idiot. I am an idiot. That means I'm just not willing to contract with you because I don't understand the terms and conditions of the contract. Not one iota, not I'm an idiot. Iota, idiot. Not one little micron do I understand. Is there any law that says I must learn what you wrote? No, that's ridiculous. Do I have to learn your language? No. Is there a law that says I must understand your beliefs? No. Come on, people, stop being silly. You're just wasting my time, but you know what? Hey, like I said, man, it's just a lot of fun, man, because like I said, I'm helping a lot of folks, like deprogram. And people, I could tell, man, people are like donating to me, man. So, people are telling me keep up the good work and stuff like that. Hell, this man, I'm talking to Greg, man. He got me out there to Indiana. So that worked out fine for me too, and hopefully it's helping him, man. I know his fucking lawyer's probably not thrilled, but his lawyer said, man, this guy's done a 180-degree shift from the first time she met him. So see what I'm saying?
The first time she met me, it was all anger. It was all, your basic been done wrong, and I hate this, and they're all evil crooks and criminals, and they're all fraud, and they're all violating our rights, and they're all doing this, and they're all doing that. Now I understand everything, and I don't have to think that way, and I don't have to waste all that energy feeling that way. Because all that'll do is drain you.
Yeah, it's just wasting your time, man, away from your wife, your kids, your job, your family, your business. What a waste. Reading all that crap, trying to learn all that shit. It's unbelievable.